Forgive me, I am like fresh out of the shower. I have 2 hours to upload this. I did something probably not very good for me this morning and last night, I guess. Yesterday I told you I'm going to start preparing tutorials to talk about reactive core and then show you the differences between the two. So I decided that I needed to make a simple game in order to show this off. I wanted a game that was really only like 1, maybe 2 mechanics, so I could implement it in normal Lua coding and then re-implement it in reactive core and then show the major differences and the benefits. I wanted something that was a real life example and something that was complex enough that would show off the real benefits of reactive core. So I got into scoring and little details about when this happens, do that, and things like that. And then I created a problem for myself. Last night I started building it and it was kind of depressing at first. I was like, oh, this doesn't feel right. And then I went to bed. This morning I made a few minor tweaks after just waking up, and all of a sudden it is now too fun for me to stop playing. The major reason why this video is being recorded so late is because I couldn't stop playing. I think I've lost like an hour or 2 just to running around and playing. So this is a perfect learning opportunity and I'm going to take advantage of this. My goal is I'm going to release this in the next 2 or 3 days. I want to clean it up, add some UI, add some basic like leaderboards and stuff, and then I'm going to push it out. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to come up with things that I need to talk about and I need to cover both under game design and game development. And as this grows, we're going to learn from the entire experience. And I'm going to use this as my submission for the November next best new game. Things that we're going to learn from this is stuff like, you know, just basic game design, but also how complex can we get this? How can we engage players more? What can we do about like project management and prioritizing and things like that in order to really grow a game as best as we can? During this entire process, I'm going to try to keep 2 versions of the script. I'm going to keep a reactive core version and I'm going to keep a regular version. So that way, as the game grows, we can compare the 2 and show them working side by side and really understand what the difference is between regular Lua coding and reactive core will be. With that out of the way, I'm going to go quickly edit this. I'm going to throw it up on YouTube. And then I'm going to jump right into planning in MVP. And so next episode, I'll either talk about an MVP or I'll talk about brainstorming, one of the two, and we're going to start learning from this process quickly and surely. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'll see you tomorrow anyway.